In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to use SVGs in React Native. There is no apps without icons, and icons is very important and very important part of every app. Someone is gonna say we can use vector icons like this. I will say, I will say vector icons is a good choice, but I want to tell you a very important thing. You are a mobile developer, and when you work in mobile development, the UI UX designer is gonna give you a design like that. And you have to know that matching the UI from the UI UX design is a very important skills that you must have. Need to take the icons and some assets from that design. And those assets, you cannot find them here in React Native vector icons. So how to take these icons? Someone is gonna say we can take it as PNG, but I will say PNG is not the best choice. Why? You have to know that the SVG files has more scalability, and the file size of it tend to be smaller than PNG. And also SVG are text-based XML files, so it has a good cacheabilities. Okay, so now in this lesson, let's learn how to use SVG in React Native. We're gonna use this package. Just type here in Google, React Native SVG. And let's open this package. Let's go down to installation. You can use npm install or yarn. So let's go to our terminal and paste this command line and press enter to install this package. Then we have here a second step. It's optional for Android, but it's required for iOS, and it's to install the bots. Let's press enter to install the bots. After installing the bots, just rerun our project. Great, now we have here our project. Now let's take a file from Figma. We have here our Figma file. Let's try to pick this icon as SVG, okay? So let's go here and paste it, copy as SVG. You can do the same step from any design program like Adobe XD, Figma, or other programs, okay? And just go to this website, React or SVG reader or SVG viewer, sorry, SVG viewer, and press here to this site. What you need is just to paste the URL that you have copied. Okay, let's go here to PNG to see the image. PNG here. We've just copied the link like that. Copy as SVG, and you just go here and paste it here and select PNG to see the PNG. If it's okay, just press on React Native. You can here import it as React also, or you can import it as data URL. For example, base URL, for example, base 64. Okay, now we want to take it as a React Native component. So just press on React Native here. You can download it as TSX or you can copy it. Okay. Now let's go to our app. Inside SRC assets, inside SVGs, just add a name of that component. For example, let's name it user icon colored.tsx and just paste your code here. Now, if you see, we have here our component. Just rename it. Instead of SVG component, let's rename it to make it user icon colored and press save. Now here inside our app.tsx, just import it. User icon colored like that. Just import it like that and press save. Nothing happens. I don't know why. Let's just reload the app. Oops, now it's appear. It's appear, but it's very, very big. Let's make it some smaller. Let's make it smaller. You can make it smaller from here. This height and this width. Let's make it, for example, 200. Okay, great, isn't it? Or you can or you can make this step here, add the height and width here. It's the same, it will show you the same results, height 200 and width 200. If you open here, those are properties that you can provide, but to make those properties shown to us, just go here and fix this TypeScript issue. It's not a TypeScript issue, it's just TypeScript complaint. Just add this two dots and add this type here, SVG props from React Native SVG. And just now press save. Now if you go here and try to see the options, you have here a lot of options. Look, a lot of options. For example, we have here also color and fill and font family, a lot of options that you can handle. You can also create an opacity. Let's make it .4, look, .1, look, let's make it half, look. Another property you can use on press in, on press out, on long press, a lot of features that you can provide in this component. Okay, let's try to add another one. Let's open Figma and let's try to take this logo. Let's just make it like that and copy SVG and go to our website and paste it here. Okay, now let's copy it. I mean this code. You can copy it or you can press copy here to copy all of it. And let's go here. And inside SVG, let's add this component. For example, let's make it book logo.tsx. And let's paste the code here. This code we've just pasted here. Okay, let's add the TypeScript, SVG props from React Native SVG. This line of code is useless, so just delete it. Don't leave it. Okay, now let's try to go and import our Buck logo. So let's go here, Buck logo. Why we didn't import? Oh, we just need to rename it here. Instead of SVG component, let's make it Buck logo. Buck logo here, and also here and the down here. Let's press save, and now let's import Buck logo from src assets SVG Buck logo. Let's press save. It's very, very big. You can make it smaller from here, from our component. Let's make this, for example, 200, and this will make it 190, like that. Or you can make this step here also. You can add some style for it. Margin top 20. Look, we have here margin top 20. Let's add this style also to this user here, margin top 20. Now, those are the icons from Figma or from Adobe.xd. What if we have another icon from the internet? For example, let's just type SVG icons, SVG icons, and let's go here. For example, we want to get a plus icon. For example, we want to take that icon. Okay, we want to import it and change its color, and so just press on it. You can download here as SVG. Okay, now you have here two options. We are here in downloads. You have here two options. You can open it as editor, text editor, or note or something, or even you can open it in inside VS Code editor and take the code from it. Just copy all of code from it like that and go to site and paste it here. It will return you the same result. Or you can add it inside Figma like that, import it to Figma like that, and after importing from Figma you can copy as SVG also and go here and paste it here. It returned the same result. Then you can take this icon and change its color, whatever you want, and add it inside your app. Just take this code, press here in React Native, and copy that code, and go here inside SVG and create a new file, and do the same steps. Is there another way to import the SVG file? I mean, to put SVG files here. I mean that file like that with extension .svg, and to import manually like PNG and images and so. Yes, there it is. There's another way to handle SVGs, but I don't want to hesitate you, so we're gonna talk about it later. Okay? Now that was our lesson. I hope this lesson was easy to you. I want to congratulate you because in next lesson we're gonna build our first screen, because now we have here the logo. I mean how to handle SVGs, and also we've learned how to handle inputs. So we're gonna create a login screen in next lesson. So don't miss the next lesson. See you in next time, and don't forget subscribe and like button. Thanks for watching, and see you.